beauties, welcome back to Beauty Unlocked, your guide to glowing skin, easy makeup, and everyday beauty confidence. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now because we're building a community where beauty feels simple, real, and achievable. In today's video, I'm walking you through my everyday step-by-step beauty routine, not a fancy, complicated one, but something realistic and beginner-friendly. These are steps I actually follow daily, using products you probably already have at home, so grab your favorite products and let's get started. What if I told you that your skin could look fresh, hydrated, and glowing every single day without a complicated 20-step routine? Today, I'm sharing my exact step-by-step everyday beauty routine, the one I actually follow daily. From cleanser to sunscreen, stick around, because I'll also reveal a bonus glow hack at the end that takes less than a minute. Step 1. Cleanser. The first step to glowing skin? A clean canvas. Cleansing removes dirt, oil, and impurities that build up overnight. I personally use a gentle foaming cleanser in the morning because it refreshes my face without stripping away natural oils. Always wash your face for at least 60 seconds. This allows the cleanser to actually do its job. And don't forget to rinse with lukewarm water. Hot water dries out your skin. Step 2. Toner. Next comes toner, and no, it's not an optional step. Toner balances your skin's pH and preps it for the products you'll apply next. Think of it as a hydration starter pack for your face. I love using a hydrating toner with ingredients like rose water or hyaluronic acid. Just a few drops on a cotton pad, or better yet, tap it gently with your hands, your skin will drink it up. Step 3. Serum. Now we're moving to the real game changer, serums. This is where your skincare gets targeted. Whether it's brightening with vitamin C, hydrating with hyaluronic acid, or calming with niacinamide, serums directly tackle skin concerns. I personally swear by vitamin C in the mornings because it helps me fight dullness and pollution damage. Apply just a few drops and press it into your skin. Don't rub too hard. Step 4. Essence. Essence is like that secret extra boost most people skip, but trust me, it makes a difference. It's lightweight, watery, and deeply hydrating, helping your skin absorb the next products even better. I pat an essence onto my skin and within seconds it looks plumper and refreshed. Think of it as giving your skin a glass of water first thing in the morning. Moisturizer is the non-negotiable step that seals everything in. Even if you have oily skin, you still need a lightweight moisturizer. It keeps your skin balanced and prevents excess oil production. I personally love gel-based moisturizers during the day. They hydrate without feeling heavy. If you're dry-skinned, go for a cream-based one. Step 6. Sunscreen. And finally, the sunscreen. If there's one skincare product that keeps you youthful and glowing, it's SPF. No matter the weather, sunny, cloudy, or rainy, sunscreen is a must. I recommend using a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher. Apply generously, don't just dot it. And remember, sunscreen is the best anti-aging product you'll ever own. If you're outdoors for long, reapply every 3 hours. Your future skin will thank you. And here's my bonus hack I promised. Mix a drop of liquid highlighter with your moisturizer or sunscreen for that natural lit-from-within glow. It takes literally 30 seconds and people will think you woke up glowing. So beauties, that's my go-to everyday skincare beauty routine. Simple, effective, and beginner-friendly. Which step do you never skip in your routine? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your beauty secrets too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beauty Unlocked for more glow routines, skincare hacks, and beauty tips. Remember, beauty isn't about perfection, it's about unlocking the best version of you. See you in the next one.